Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Carlson from the Grove Animal Hospital and Holistic Center. And I'm going to be doing an IHT case study today for 00206. The pet had soreness, limping, and posture issues. This was a retest from last time, so this column was what we had last time. The allergies, the kidneys, the lymphatic system, and the cell metabolism went back to balance. What persisted was we had the joints were at 56 and then went to 66. So we still have some persistent joint issues, and that would certainly contribute to soreness and lameness over here. But we also had the SI3 show up. And SI3 is really related to the low back, so the low lumbar vertebrae, the large intestine, bladder, and certainly the hips and the back leg. And so anything related from about midsection down will be affected by SI3. And that's how the brain communicates with the back part of the body. And so if we don't get clear communication, or we get injured here, or we have soreness here, for example, anywhere along the spinal column, it can interrupt communication to the back side of the body. And so, and that can contribute to soreness, limping, and certainly posture. So these are direct effects that over time, these things go out of balance and lead to symptoms. So genetic expression is the symptoms that this patient gives off. But the underlying factors are the 2 points that we're going to correct. We come back with hemp oil infusion for joints and SI3. Consider using cold laser to focus on the low part of the back, SI3. And then I add one thing for nutrition from Standard Process. It's called Simplex F. It's going to be specific for the joints because that's the one that kind of persisted, so we want to double up on this guy and see if we can get the joints to balance out for us. And so hemp oils, I would do 5 drops daily for 3 months. Cold laser, we're going to focus on 1 treatment per week times 3 weeks. And then come in with Standard Process, which in most cases is a daily dose for 3 months. So we're going to go 3 months on this. Please feel free to review the video as often as you like. It'll be up on YouTube, and if you have any questions, our number is 847-541-4005. You can also use growpets@yahoo.com for questions, because we want to make sure that we're getting progress and we're balancing things out, but at the same time, I don't have to see the patients back, usually for 3 months to 6 months to follow up. But in between time, we want to make sure that you're in contact with us and updating us regularly on what's happening. Thanks so much.